All right, so today we're going to talk a little bit about upper cross syndrome and lower cross syndrome, and I'm going to give you some exercises to try to help fix those problems. So we're going to start with a glute bridge. Basically, we're going to go straight up here, hold it about 3 to 5 seconds, and then down, and then back up, tightening the glutes. So that's what we're trying to strengthen here. And then to make it harder, you do the same thing, but then with a leg extension, not allowing the hip to drop in there on either side, not allowing it to drop, keep it level, and then back down. Then, next thing we're gonna do is call it cat-cow, working on that lumbar lordosis. So basically we drop that low back down as low as we can, and then we round the back up, and then drop it down and round it back up. Next one we're going to do is a plank. Then you come down into here, hold the back nice and straight, tightening the core. You can do it on your elbows, or you can do it in a full push-up position here. Either one, just tighten the core, not allowing it to drop down. This will also help strengthen it up. And then to help loosen up the tight muscles, you can use a foam roller on the hamstrings on the back side here. So you come in here on it like this, just roll back and forth in here. That'll get the hamstrings. Then you can get Quadratus Lumborum on the back side here. Same thing, that low back. In there. That'll help with the lower cross syndrome. Here we're going to do some shoulder exercises to help increase the range of motion. So the shoulder, you should be able to take it back past 90 in here. But a lot of times it gets to here or stop. So what we're going to do to work on getting that extension, first we're going to push in with our hands just like this. And we're going to go back and forth for about 5 to 10 seconds or so. And then we're going to do little circles forward for about 5 to 10 seconds or so, pushing in the whole time. Same thing, then we go back, pushing in. And then do the same thing, still pushing in. Now you do a swim. Same thing for about 5 to 10 seconds. And then reverse. There, and then we're gonna switch. So instead of a push, now we're gonna do a pull. So interlock the fingers in here. Same thing, side to side, pull, pull, pull. And then little circles forward, still pulling. And then back. And then swim forward. And swim back. And then after that, you can check it again and see if you're able to get a little bit more extension there with your shoulders. The other thing to work on here is you can come out to the side and you can hold resistance with a couple of different hand positions. So you hold it on top and just press against that, not allowing it to go up, and hold for 3 seconds and then relax. You can change hand up, same thing. And then you can do thumb down, hold, push up. And that should help with your extension of your shoulder. So now we're going to talk about upper cross syndrome. Basically, muscles on the front side are getting too tight. You're starting to round forward, and the muscles on the back are getting weak. And this is typical in a desk job where you're having to sit at a computer all day and just end up in this posture. And if you bend over like this and then try to take a deep breath in, it's very difficult. So this is a posture we definitely don't want you to ever be, accustomed to. So what we're going to do to work on that is, one thing you can do at your desk is work on strengthening the muscles in between the shoulder blades here. So what you're going to do is you can just make a fist and then tighten like you're trying to pinch almost a pencil between your shoulder blades in here, and then relax, and then pinch back and relax. So a simple exercise to do while you're sitting at your desk. If you want to add a little resistance, you can get a band and then come in here and do the same thing. So you bring it in tight like you're trying to pinch a pencil between the shoulder blades, and then back out, and then bring it in tight in there. And then for stretching on the front side, you can take your thumb, bring it down, extend back. That'll get your biceps all the way in here into the pec muscles on either side. It's a good stretch for stretching out on the front side so it's not drawing you forward, leading you into this hunched over position.